Hello students, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to on Academy 123. Today we will discuss how to run the Python program on Notepad++. Okay, let's start. This is my Notepad and go to the file and go to the new, and this is the blank, and here I do some coding from Python background, and that script how to run on Notepad++. So if you are new person, then just subscribe this channel, and something find after watching that video, then just like us. So first of all, let's start print in Python, and inside I want to write here nothing but just welcome on Python coding on what Notepad++, and so on, whatever you want to write. Okay, and go to the file and save as, and here give the name, let's say eacademy123.py extension. .py extension stands for Python. Okay, that is the most important. Go to the save, and yes, after here you can also take the input from user. So a is the variable creating, and what is the variable hold the other values of string as well as the integer. Okay, so a is the variable, and there is no need to explain like C and PHP that where or any other thing double and etc. There is no need, because if you made this, then it understood by Python compiler, so it's working perfectly. So in Python there is an interpreter, not compiler. Okay, compiler existing in Java as well as the C and C++ programming, but in Python is the only interpreter is existed here. Interpreter, it does mean all programming will be checked line by line. Okay, if any line is wrong or unfit as the protocol of that language, then our program will not execute. Okay, so line by line checking its correctness. So I am putting here input, and here input, and inside you can take the values from user. It's a matter of user. Enter the first number. Okay, first number, and here yes, and similarly you can do the another number just by B, and enter the number first inside the second number. Okay, second number. So first number and second number, and after that what will you do? Nothing but just take the sum, division, multiply, and whatever you can take, and anything what you want to do. C is equal to just A plus B. This is the simple script, whatever, there is no need. And still you can take the print, nothing but the print, and inside the print you can like the sum is. Okay, and after the sum is you can write C, and this is nothing but the concatenation. So just take is the string, and string put inside if it's working, and yes, you can write like that. String is nothing but the string, and after that or if it is not working, then you can also write is the sum is, and you can take it again print. It is the another way to do so. So here is nothing but the C is the sum. Okay, and after that if else you can check here, go, and if in A greater than B, in that case if it is true, then it will return true. Two indentation, two white space, it does mean indentation. It's same as the curly bracket or the block statement written within the curly brackets, and here the white space is acting as the curly bracket and indentation. It's most important, and until and unless you are not able to understand what is the indentation, so it's not working properly. Okay, so indentation is 2, and here I want to print nothing but what I want to print here. So first of all, just A, you can write A, and here go to the again make a print, and inside the print you can write string A is greater than what? Okay, A is greater than another print. You can write here nothing but you can write here just B. Okay, and same thing also this is the if block. If above condition, if is true, then else statement, and else statement. If it is wrong, then there no need to. Okay, it is also else if elif you can also when this both are same, but I am not going to that thing. So copy it. One more option you can also check if it is the equal. If it is the for KCET preparation, and KCET preparation Karnataka Common Entrance Test, and here you will find the champion batch on Unacademy, and Unacademy platform is very trusted, as well as the then definitely for PCB as well as the PCM as well as the PCMB include as well as the PCMB for mathematics as well as the bio, and for PCB for biology background. So and in the champion batch all expert will teach you, and maximize your score, and it is already started from 15th of October. So you can enroll now courses, and if you are subscriber the plus courses, then you will find the many things like structured courses, affordable price, dedicated loud sessions, and quizzes, regulars, and DPP daily problem practice, and mock test and analysis, and many things, and unlimited access you will find for a single subscription. So this thing is very helpful to maximize. You can use this code Academy 123. Okay, for best plan for KCET 2021 aspirants, and for 12 months plan you can just use this thing, and using this code, it is a very affordable price for your as compared to the other things. So it is the 12-month plans, and it is the 6-month plan. Then you can also take this plan as per your capacity, but it will definitely maximize and catalyze your preparations, as well as the detailed explanation, as well as the complete syllabus coverage, and included with the tips and tricks to maximize your score. You can easily enroll monthly trial for this code. This is your code, and it already started from the 14th. Equal is that mean A equal to B. It is also, so you can also what elif it is also, and inside the elif A equal to B. If this condition is working here, then A is what will we write here, equal to B. Okay, and last one is nothing but just control C and here paste, and there is no need to elif, only just write here else, and just remove it and put here, and A is what here, and the less than, only one condition is here, A is less than B, because if this condition is false, this condition is false, then only this condition is valid. Okay, and A is less than, A is equal to, and final print you can also take here, nothing but you can take just like print and go to the nothing but thanks. Okay, just this is our program, this is our script, and you know that the basic script. And now go to the run, and here go to the run command, and what is our here you will type the CMD command prompt. Okay, and if you hit enter, then you are navigated to that, and CD and / change directory, then you will come on that scene, and again change directory CD, and just you have to write here, and you have to write here where I have saved it. Okay, so I first of all I can save it my desktop. So go to the save as and Academy, but the location I am changing desktop because it's very easy to understand. So here, and now the go to the run command, and again run, and CMD put here, and you are coming here CD / here, and again you will write users. Okay, and again CD change directory, and you can write Sham Bhatia. Yes, again change directory, you are navigating on desktop. Okay, and here CLS screen clear. And now what our program name? eacademy123.py. py is the extension of our Python. Okay, and here yes, what we have wrote here, welcome to the Python coding on Notepad. The same thing written here. So I am entering value the 5. Okay, I am been entering the value nothing but 10. Then what is the sum? 15. Then sum is 5.0. So I will remove, when 5 is greater than, also it's not working, 5 is less than 10. So why do is, okay, in a few seconds I will remove, because it is the integer, it is treating as the string. So first of all I will make it string, now integer from string. Okay, again int stands for integer. Okay, and make it, yes, control S and come here on the same, just make clear screen, and eacademy123.py, same thing I wrote here, just like 5 and just like 10. Yes, the sum is 15 and 5 is less than to 10. Yes, and thanks. So the everything what I code here, I can run on Notepad using the command prompt that is a inbuilt. So the whole thing is working on. So how to do that, it will do. If any doubt, then just comment us, and if you find interesting, then like, thank you, bye bye, we will meet soon.